welcome to Ride to Hike. Out here on a beautiful day, just kind of thawing out a little bit. It's been a nice cool morning of riding. Kind of more in like a high desert area today, just absolutely beautiful. Backdrops are pretty. I just love every kind of terrain that I can get out into. A lot of deer and different animals out here. It's just been really cool to experience this already. And the riding I've already done about a half a tank, so I just got off this road here. I'm gonna go kind of explore these mountains behind me and then make my way to this little town that looks like there's a gas station and get some fishing bait and fill up some gas, because like I said, I'm already a half tank and that's not gonna be enough for the rest of the day for sure. I got a lot I'm gonna do, a lot to explore, and just nothing better. I just love this. I look forward to it all the time. I just do everything I can to make it happen. So anyway, go explore some mountain ranges, doing like a ride to fish, ride to hike kind of thing as well. I found this cool hike that I want to go explore, find some old petroglyphs up in these mountains, and I got to hike to them to go check them out. So I mean, nothing better to me than little motorcycles, some fishing, some hiking. That was one of the most challenging trails I've done for a while. That's one of those ones you start climbing and there's no turning around. There's no turning around. You're just trying to get up. So my wheels were spinning everywhere, just trying to keep the speed. There's just loose, huge rocks everywhere, but what a blast. The bike just did great. So, and it got me up here. Look at this incredible backdrop. So I'm just riding over the mountains. I'm eventually gonna make my way down to this little lake and do some fishing. So I'm just kind of exploring the area. I always kind of like to just check out all the trails of an area I'm going. And man, that's fun. I don't know where this trail goes. I really don't want to go back the way I came. I mean, that was all a nasty climb. I'd rather climb all day long than do nasty descents. So let's keep it going and make our way over to this lake and do some fishing. So I'm getting all set up here. Found a beautiful spot to park the bike. I'm gonna hike down this and fish along some rocks, I think, right here. I'm really excited to get the rig set up, see if I can catch anything. I mean, it's just a beautiful place to be anyways. Fishing, somebody told me a long time ago, if you wanna go to beautiful places, you know, go fish for rainbow trout. And I found that very true. So there's supposed to be some rainbow trout in here, but if not, it's just a great place to hang out. But I used to fish a lot when I was in my 20s and drink, and then it's funny, it kind of turned into from fishing and drinking to kind of just drinking and fishing, and then it just literally turned into drinking. And so I don't really drink very much anymore. It's not like I'll throw back a beer every once in a while, but for the most part I've just found so much more joy out of just having experiences like this. And I mean, I just really feel like I really enjoy it more instead of just hanging out with a big group of people. And it's always fun. I love hanging out with people, but from just feeling like garbage all the time to just being in amazing places and feeling amazing and just kind of being happy with myself and being out is the best thing ever. So let's get set up and let's get going here. Well, I didn't catch shit, but I had a nice time. You know, fishing's always a nice experience. You know, I just got to kind of chill here and be in this really pretty spot for a little while, so can't complain with that. But I'm just gonna make my way back onto some trails, head over the mountains, and I'm really excited to go ahead and check out this hike. It's kind of getting later in the afternoon, so we'll keep it going. So I just hiked a little bit, got up to these beautiful and amazing Native American petroglyphs. I mean, what an incredible experience to have this. I love this so much. I can't say it more enough in every video of just riding and hiking and just being in nature. I mean, what an incredible place to be of history and the natives that were once here in this very place, you know, putting into their writings of what was going on in their life and their concerns and maybe problems, and it just really puts things in perspective of our life and culture. I mean, 20 miles from me is a city that was never even here. Obviously, when hundreds and hundreds of years ago they say that they had carved these and you know, inscribed these in the rock here. And you know, I'm just such a believer in that. If we all just spent a little more time in nature, less time being, you know, in our little groups and angry and the political divide, there's just so much pain going on in the world and anger, that if we just studied history a little bit more and just kind of went inward a little bit more, God, the world would be so much better, you know? But it's just so awesome. I love any part of history, Native American books and American West, anything of ancient civilizations. But it's just so cool to really just be standing somewhere of history, and it just puts life in perspective. And I just love this so much, and thankful everybody that's been watching. Winter's definitely set where I live and work right now. I live up in the mountains, so I'm probably not gonna be able to make many videos. I'm hoping to make more, but worst case, it'll probably be unfortunately next spring. But I just want to thank everybody that's along on these rides with me, and I will definitely be back. I love doing this. This is my passion. I mean, it takes me to places like this, and I'm just very grateful. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.